welcome to the Dickinson Fleet Services FleeTec Academy. In this video, we're going to be discussing the proper installation procedure for the Temper-Loc Retainer. The Temper-Loc Retainer is similar to the Stemco Pro Torque. It has 3 notches, 1, 2, and 3. Each knot has a slot in it. That is a slot, a visual slot, to see that you have properly engaged the retainer into the nut. So let's do that. We slide the upper end of the retainer into the groove of the nut, and if you'll notice, the little slot disappeared. Now we'll take the left one, the slot disappeared. We'll take the right one, you see the slot? This is not in correctly. You could have a wheel off. Snap it in. All 3 slots have now disappeared. You now have locked the spindle to the nut assembly on your vehicle. If done correctly, that will lock that nut to the spindle and we will not have wheel offs. Remember, when you're done, take a digital photo of the wheel end showing that retainer in its correct position. Thank you.